Welcome to WebStylePress. If you are new here, consider subscribing and hit bell icon. Web browsers DevTools help you inspect any HTML element in web page and see CSS styles that have been applied to it. I have got this HTML page containing a paragraph and unordered list. I can right click at any element and see exact CSS properties and values that have been applied to these elements. But can I? I can see styles area at the right side. It tells me li has got 1.6 rem font size. Rem is relative unit and 1.6 rem can be different for a website and different for any other website. So how will I see exact font size for this li tag? Also, if you observe this styles panel, it will show me there are other CSS properties that are being applied to this li tag. For example, box sizing, display, text align, font family, font weight, color. These are all being applied at these li tags. If I go to my CSS file, it only contains font size for this li tag. So a tag can have other CSS properties from other CSS libraries or from web browser's default CSS. The question is, how can we see all CSS properties and their values for a single HTML tag? We can see all CSS properties and their exact values applied to an element by going to computed area, that is besides styles panel. Computed area will translate rem, em also and show you values in pixels. For example, for this li tag, you can see font size 25.6 pixels here, not in rem unit. Computed area will show you all CSS properties that a tag has got. Make sure you start visiting this computed area whenever you inspect elements to see CSS. Styles area gives you CSS properties idea, but this computed area is much better. It shows you everything from everywhere that is being applied to that tag. As a front-end developer, do not ignore this area because it will help you a lot in your work. So you need computed area. Whenever you inspect elements for CSS, computed is the area you should look into. I hope it helps. Give this video a like, subscribe to channel and press bell icon. This will help the channel and motivate me to create more videos. Stay tuned and I will see you in the next video.